Hi, Peter Jones, Chartered Surveyor, author and property investor, and I hope you're having a great Christmas. I had a great Christmas, and I just love this time of year. I really do. I love everything about Christmas, and it's just so much fun. Except for the fact that there's never any work done, which maybe is a good thing, and maybe I'm just being a bit of an old Scrooge. But one of the things which really frustrates me is the way that everything stops for so long at Christmas. There's at least a week, but usually a fortnight, in the sort of build up to Christmas where not a lot happens. It's Christmas parties, people are working short days, people are leaving the office early, all that kind of stuff goes on. Then there's Christmas, then there's the week between Christmas and the New Year when hardly anybody's in and most things are shut. Then there's New Year, and then things don't usually even pick up for a few days after New Year, and in fact actually nothing really gets done until at least a good week or two after New Year. So we lose about a month, I reckon, over the Christmas period. Really frustrating. Now, I don't know why this always happens, but it seems that so often at Christmas I'm trying to get a deal done and it doesn't get done. This year I was trying to exchange contracts on a property and both sets of solicitors were tasked with getting the exchange before Christmas, and it should have been very straightforward. I'm buying the property and I don't want searches. I'm buying the property and I don't want a mortgage. And yet even with that, we should just be signing a bit of paper, surely. Couldn't even do that. So frustrating, and I'm probably not going to get this done now till the middle of January. But there we are. Still, I love Christmas. How do you cope at Christmas though? Does it frustrate you or is it just me?